Thank you for joining us to find out what's new in 2. Today we're going to take a closer look inside of DocStyle 2.0 and introduce one of our brand new features to you in 2 minutes or less. We don't have a lot of time, so let's get started. Opening the interface, this feature appears very simple at first. However, that could not be farther from the truth. On the left is a list of the numbering schemes I created within DocStyle, and a preview of each one on the right-hand side. Now that we have our schemes, how do we quickly get these styles with multi-level numbering into and out of a Word document? That's the exact question we asked ourselves, and why Manage Schemes is so powerful. Import and export buttons allow you to share predefined schemes with others. Select any Word document and quickly inherit all the numbered styles within. As you can see with our example, DEG styles were imported and can easily be applied to your current document. Edit returns you to the familiar Create Outline Scheme interface within DocStyle. As well, renaming or deleting your schemes could not be more convenient. Manage Schemes gives you direct control over the synergy that exists between numbered lists and styles. Don't waste precious time navigating Word's inefficient process. Manage Schemes does it all for you. If you'd like to learn more about how DocStyle 2.0 can dramatically improve efficiencies within your organization, contact us today. You can get in touch with us by visiting our website at www.docstyle.net.